Ano naman say mo sa BYD, boss? Nako, sige, Kiansky, 18. Sige, shoutout sa'yo. Sagutin natin. So, Chinese car brand, no? I know a lot of people have a problem with that. But just for this argumentation or just for this video, let's just focus on those people who don't have a problem. Okay, those who have an open mind and, you know, just really look at things as an economic or as a business perspective. So before I say my opinion, I really wanted to make it clear that we haven't talked with BYD yet. So this is gonna be purely my honest perspective and honest thoughts about BYD products. So having that said, I honestly think that they are an excellent company. Why was I able to say that? Okay, so first of all, they have been really making a lot of noise recently now with all their releases, offering great value for money products, cars, electric vehicles. I think they've been leading globally. And there's a very good reason for that. I think that when I came for the very first time to one of their dealerships, I was really impressed. I think that they are an excellent company. They put effort into the details of the, you know, the structure of their facilities, and then yung mga wordplay din na ginagawa nila with their products, like basing it on like sea animals. I just think that it is really witty and very clever, pinag-isipan talaga. So going back, they have been offering really great cars, electric vehicles, hybrid, and with the rising prices ng gasolina nga, no, and then sobrang lala ng traffic dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, I can't blame why so many people have been transitioning to and have been liking this brand. Now, kung ako, I know that, you know, a lot of people really have a problem, but if ako lang, I really think that I belong to that group that would highly consider buying one of their products, maybe for a city purpose, you know, for daily commute. If I'm not gonna use our Velos, possible, very possible that I'm gonna invest on one of their electric cars. And that's as of the making of this video lang, because we never know what could happen in the future. Currently, they're saying that they've been able to resolve the issues with regards to their batteries, and their Blade battery has been trusted with other brands. So again, kung ako lang, kahinaan pa naman natin yung mga tech and features na yan, no? So potential buyer talaga tayo, I can say. So I made a YouTube playlist for you guys with regards to BYD car reviews. So go ahead and check it out. Sana nakatulong. Follow for more.